Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. All of us got to have the experience or the chance to pick or to choose. May kakayahan ho tayong mamili. At marahil we share this common mindset when we choose or pick, that what we choose or pick is with quality. Hindi naman ho kayo pipili ng pangit o ng substandard gaya nga ho ng mga naririnig natin. To those of you discerning married life and those of you who are married, yung mga pinakasalan naman ninyo, hindi nyo naman pinili yan dahil irresponsible yan. You chose him or her because he is beautiful, he is handsome, he is responsible, he is family-oriented, so on and so forth. Kapag bibili ho kayo ng mga gamit, di naman ninyo pipiliin yung may crack o yung faded ang kulay. But you will be paying for what is right and for what is beautiful. May kakayan tayong pumili at ang pinipili natin yung mga magaganda. And today's readings would like to showcase such action of picking or choosing. Through Samuel, God chose David, this ruddy, this youthful, this handsome man. Guwapong taong ito si David para maging hari. God chose David from among his brothers to lead his people with quality both outwardly and inwardly. In today's gospel, we've heard how the disciples were in that action of choosing or picking up. More than picking up the heads of grain as they were escorting Jesus, more than these, they chose to follow the Lord. But sadly, the Pharisees chose not to follow the Lord, but to keep on observing Jesus' every action. Bakit ganyan ang ginagawa ng taong ito? God would choose with quality, not with substandard entities of this life. Ang Diyos tinuturuan tayong mamili ng maganda, ng maayos at ng mabuti at hindi pipili ng kung anumang masama, maitim at marahil may maitim at masamang balak sa mundong ito. Kaya po sa mga susunod na panahon, kapag tayo ay pipili, tao man yan, karanasan man yan sa buhay na ito, let us weigh down things because God would wish for us to choose beautiful and good things. Not things that will weigh our hearts down, not things that will keep us degraded, downtrodden, and even always humbled and our faces to the ground. Dahil tinuturuan tayo ng Diyos na pumili ng mabuti at huwag pumili ng anumang makasasama sa ating buhay na ito. For God, when He would choose someone or something, He would choose what is beautiful. You and me. God has chosen you because we are all good. We are all with quality. Hindi ho tayo substandard ng mga tao sa buhay na ito. We are all good because God has chosen you. And let that be our manner, let that be our life. That as we choose, discern, and pick up things in this life, we may learn to choose what is beautiful, not what is messy or bad. Because when we choose good, that is the best, and always that is the will of God.